Good morning everyone. Today we will do chapter 1 exercise 1.2 question first, which says express each number as a product of its prime factors. First question is 140. So now let's write 140. It is on 70. Now again to 35. Now on 7. 5. Now on 5. 1. So this can 140 can be written as 2 into 2 into 7 into 5. These are the factors of 140. We can write 140 as 2 into 2 into 7 into 5. Now second part is 156. 156 can be written as 2 78. Now again 2 39. Now 3 13. Now 13 1. So 156 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So factors of 156 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. For the third part, 3825. It can be written as on 5 765. Again on 5 153. Now 153 it on 3 5 1. Again on 3 1 7. Now on 17 on 1. So 3825 can be written as 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 17. Now fourth part, 5005. So 5005 can be written as on 5 1001. Now on 7 143. On 11 13. Now on 13 1. So 5005 can be written as 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. Now fifth part, 7429. So 7429, it can be written as on 17 437. Now on 19 23. Now 23. So 7429 can be written as 17 into 19 into 23. That's all for question number 1.